Hey you guys, it's Health Coach Shalyn here doing a quick video to show you how I make my keto approved scrambled eggs. So I started Ketogenics and I want to follow that lifestyle and way of eating for 2018. And so I am going to show you how I make my ketogenic approved eggs. Here I have some freshly cut up turkey bacon. Also have my green onions. I have bell pepper here. I have feta cheese. I also have mozzarella and provolone cheese. Here are my eggs that I'll be scrambling up. I'm going to cook everything in my Wild Tree natural grape seed oil. I am a Wild Tree representative as well as a health and nutritional coach. I highly recommend this oil. Grapeseed oil does wonders for you, and you can see there that there aren't any carbs in this oil. So I'll be using, once again, my Wild Tree natural grapeseed oil, which is gluten-free, it's vegan. And then I will be topping off my eggs with a fresh salsa that's also gluten-free. And I want to show you the carb count on this, which is about 1 gram. So all of these ingredients are going to go into my eggs. I am going to take you over to my non-stick skillet. I'm going to turn it on just a tad. Turn that on and let that start warming up. I'm going to turn this on a little bit more light. Okay, so while the oil is heating up, I'm actually going to bring over the first set of ingredients. When you're cooking, you want to make sure that your surfaces are clean. You want to make sure that your ingredients are fresh. You see, I actually do have them separated. I'm going to sit this down for a second. And my stove is off. So don't worry about me setting anything on fire or burning myself. I am going to go ahead and put in my turkey bacon, and that was probably about a half a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to also go ahead and put in my green onion. I like to saute all of these things together first. I'm going to also put in my bell peppers, put those right in there, and I am going to stir things up, let that come together, and turn the heat down just a little. And I am cooking these just till the bacon is done, till the vegetables have softened. I wish you could smell what I smell already because it smells so good. This is really attributed to the grapeseed oil. I mean, this grapeseed oil is amazing. It does great things for your cholesterol levels, helping to clear you out, keep you nice and balanced. It's healthy for you. I'm going to put in just a little bit of salt. And just a little bit of salt. And I've actually just come from the gym. Had a good workout this morning, and I like to, right after I finished working out, I did have some of my whey protein. Even with that, I mixed it with almond milk, and the way that I have the protein powder that I have is ketogenic approved. It's like 3 carbs. And so we'll talk about that another day. So you can see that that's simmering very well. The bacon is just about done. See that? It's got this little crisp on it. And whenever I'm cooking in my non-stick pan, I'm always using some type of rubber spoon that does not melt and can withstand the high temperature. Okay, so that's simmering well there. I'm going to go ahead and put in my eggs. Put my eggs in there. And I'm going to just gently scramble those. You can cook your eggs based upon your liking. I tend to like my eggs scrambled a little bit harder. But you see, I'm just constantly stirring. This can all be made within, including probably the chopping of the vegetables. This whole dish can be made within 10 minutes. Perfect for getting yourself all set up for breakfast in the morning. A lot of people are like, Health Coach Shalane, I don't have time to eat breakfast, and so that's why I go through the drive-through line. And I beg to differ. If you just take a few minutes to bring your body from its fasting state of, not eating overnight, you will get the energy that you need, and you can actually save yourself money instead of going through a fast food place and taking in carbs and different things that are not beneficial to you. Now, with finishing up this dish, I'm going to add in my feta cheese. I'm also going to add in my mozzarella and provolone mixture. And I'm just going to stir those and bring that together. Look how good that looks. So healthy. Just absolutely amazing. Bringing those things together. Bring up the heat just a little bit. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so good. Then you can see how it's kind of starting to melt and break down. I'm also going to get my salsa. Let me grab the salsa. You can hear that that's still sizzling just a little because I turned up the heat just a little bit. And now with my salsa, I am actually going to not put that in the pan. I like for it to just simply dress my eggs. So let me grab a plate to show you what I mean by that. So I am going to grab a plate. Alright, so we're going to take my eggs out of the pan. Depending on how many people you're actually feeding. Oh my goodness, look at that. Depending on how many people you're actually feeding, this would be enough eggs for potentially 2 people. So I'm going to plate that right on there. Oh my gosh, I love the cheese. I'm going to take the eggs right out. Woo-hoo. Put them right on the plate. I'm going to literally pour some salsa right across there. And there I have it. My keto approved scrambled eggs. It's great for protein. The vegetables are fresh. The salsa is fresh. We've got the natural grape seed oil from Wild Tree. I'll put a link below the video if you would like to purchase the Wild Seed natural grape seed oil so that you can take advantage of these great benefits. I thank you guys so much for watching. Try these eggs out and let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye. Have a good day. Love you guys.